Good afternoon, my YouTube friends. Today I repotting my Cymbidium species Cymbidium. This is the only one survived from last winter. I cleaned it, and these are all left from whole plant. It was in this part. It was completely covered, but now is all left is this. But whatever left is very healthy, so I decided to repot it. And for that, I am preparing a solution for spray the plant. So I'm putting little bit of garlic, mashed garlic, and baking soda. It's like half teaspoon. Mixing it. Then I'm draining with the strainer. Because the paste garlic still have a little bit of small pieces, and I cannot spray if it goes into the sprayer. So some garlic paste are still there left. So now I'm pouring it in here. So the garlic and baking soda can cure the fungus and disease, clean the disease. So now I'm gonna spray this. This is the only plant left from my batch. I had many years. This one doing good. You can see the new roots. Here is new roots. Here is new roots. Just starting. So now I'm potting in this one. As the plant gets smaller now and the root is long, roots are long, so let's see if it fits here. Yeah, I think this will be fine. It's all ready to pot now. I'm potting with this. Make hole in the deli container, so it's not going to be too much medium. This will get dry faster. A small piece. I'm going to put it on this side. think it's looking better now. Yeah, this looks good now. Spency, you helping me? You helping me, Spency? Pencil is already 3 part. Maybe it will do better now as it get fresh medium cleaned and sprayed with garlic and garlic paste and baking soda. It have antifungal, anti-disease properties, so it will help kill every disease and fungus and everything, and also it will help to the growth. And now I'm just hoping it will do better. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.